Hello, my name is Amy Johnston, and this introductory video is for EDL 854, Educational Finance. I live southwest of Topeka, just outside of Dover, Kansas. I teach at Whitson Elementary, which is part of 501, as an instructional coach. And before that, I was in the Auburn-Washburn district, and I taught preschool, kindergarten, and second grade. I earned my master's degree through instructional design and technology, and then I also recently finished my national board certification for early childhood generalist. And that kind of has brought me to where I am now, seeking my admin certification so that I can lead a building in much of the reflective manner that I learned through my national board certification. I'm really excited for that opportunity and feel like I have a lot to bring when leading a building. My background, I have always been someone that likes to organize and lead and feel that others listen to me, but then I also listen to them and respond to their concerns and am reflective on how to improve situations. So I think a lot of that will translate into a building leader. I also have strong relationships with the community that I'm currently in now. And so that's kind of where I'm hoping to possibly land as a building leader. My strengths and weaknesses in regards to school finance. Probably my biggest weakness is I've never really had the opportunity to sit down with a school budget and talk through with someone the reasons why certain amounts and monies go to different places. My strength is I am very passionate about making sure that school monies are used appropriately. And so I think as I learn more about school finance, that will help me learn how to handle the school budget and things appropriately. I also like to ask a lot of questions if I don't understand. So I think that'll also be a strength in regards to school finance. I'm hoping to finish this certification in spring, and so that's exciting for me as I kind of start a new adventure in my education experience. I look forward to learning more from this class and from each of you. Have a good day. Bye.